Hey guys, John with Luxe. We're going to tint out this F15 tail light here. We've got about 20 by 20 inches of film. So you're going to be able to do this with 2 yards of material. See, this will be a fairly easy tail light to do. The flatter part is going to be towards the front, so that's where we're going to start. The thing is, we're going to get the film applied to the truck. Remove the rest of the backing paper. Apply just a little bit of stretch. Go ahead and get the main face laid down. Now we're going to want to get enough stretch right around the side of the light. Pulling a little bit down there and towards the back. Even out our tension. Go. Got the film to the very back of the light here. Now you want to warm it up to shrink it, relieve the tension that we pulled, and then tuck it right around the side. Now we're just going to lay the film to the top and bottom of the light, which will require heat if you want to soften it. All that's left is to trim the film. Free it, make sure that it's tucked all the way to the back of the lens. Very easy light to trace out. Last thing, just take a squeegee, make sure the film's locked around all the edges. tuck it underneath wherever you can. The very last step is to post-heat the film. You want to bring it up to 200 degrees. That's going to release the memory effect and have it accept this new shape long term. There we go. That's tinted with the dark smoke.